Hi, everyone. I hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world today. I wanted to cover an exciting stock. I was going to do it later this week, but I figured why not do it sooner rather than later, and that stock is Tesla. There's a lot of exciting news surrounding Tesla, and I wanted to cover the price action, the products and innovations, and then as well as the future growth of the company. So with that said, let's get started. I'm going to start off with discussing the stock price with you. It's just been on a tear past few days even. It wasn't that long ago. It was in the 400s, and then it spiked at $669 a share. So very, very exciting. I have not seen this type of activity on any other stock that that's out there. That maybe this has happened with Zoom or some other growth stock, but personally I had not experienced this, and it's very exciting and also exciting what's to come here. So for those of you that don't know, Tesla around December 21st, I believe, will be added to the S&P 500. So they will appear after that date on index funds across the market. And basically what's going to happen is that billions of dollars are going to need to be bought by these hedge funds and ETF managers to basically diversify their existing portfolio, so that if it's S&P 500 index fund, then to continue to mirror the index, essentially a certain percentage of that fund will need to be allocated towards Tesla. So the fund managers will need to buy shares for their brokerage to be able to do that. So that has been the momentum the past few days. Some are estimating it'll continue on through the day on the 21st, and then after that, Tesla will need to come out with more news in order to grow from that. So we'll get to that here in just a second. So right now, Tesla, I think for the day is, I think it's overbought basically. So there's always caution that when we're in this territory, the stock might drop, but who knows? We'll see. So that's part of the price action. And then what I think will happen here is that with the Goldman Sachs price target of $780, I wouldn't be surprised that by December 21st or a little bit earlier than that, this thing rips to $780 a share. So I'm pretty confident in that, but I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment and purposes only. So consult your own financial advisor on that. And yeah, that's that. And if you like this tool, I've been using Webull now since the summer. And if you're interested in some 4 free stocks, I think is the promotion. I'll leave the link down below. And then I think you only have to deposit $100, and then you get your free stocks valued from $8 to $1,600, I believe. So feel free to check that out if you're interested. Now I'm going to jump over to the actual articles that I thought were pretty intriguing. Yep. So we already talked about the S&P 500, but there's a couple of other things that's going to catapult this stock. So one thing is that Tesla cars are going to come fully equipped with self-driving cars, basically fully autopiloted. Right now, the cars that they'll sell will be able to have that feature later down the road, but for right now, it will just come with a few autopilot features until that technology rolls out. So what that means is that there's a potential new revenue stream that hasn't been baked into the price of the stock because the robo taxis aren't yet available, but Tesla's saying that it's on track to have robo taxi and that it's looking good. So this is a new revenue stream. Also, um, Tesla is also open to selling batteries to individuals or auto manufacturers. So their batteries are that good that they're prepared to sell these batteries to someone else and produce them. So that's more revenue down the road for Tesla. And you know, its autopilot function alone is just incredible. Once they get that fully developed, I think it's right now still in beta mode, but they're working to have that fully developed, and it's pretty futuristic. And then they're going to sell, you know, they have leases, and then they're also going to sell subscriptions to batteries, I believe is the next plan. I'll have to verify that. But basically, they're going to have, you know, at least 2 or 3 new revenue streams that are going to be explosive on top of what everything else that they're working on, such as solar energy. So they're on track to not just becoming a vehicle company and manufacturer, but also to become an energy solutions business, which is phenomenal, especially now with the tailwinds of the new administration and backing up the EV market. This is incredible. And yeah, those are the catalysts catapulting the stock to possibly $780 here in the next few days to weeks. And then after next year and more, you know, they keep producing and keep having innovations. I think the long term by 2025, 2024, somewhere around there, 2025, I believe it was, the stock share price would be one share at $3,000, I think is the estimate by ARK Invest. So I hope you've liked the video. If you have, please like, consider subscribing. I will be doing more videos as I find these opportunities. And thank you for watching.